Hello, my amazing family. Welcome to the Julia Inspired Lifestyle channel. So, this wonderful weekend, we are going to be learning. So, class is in session. Grab your notes. Let's learn some things about money because in this channel, I talk about three things: how to make money, how to save money, and how to multiply your money. Today, I'm going to be talking about two major streams of income, but I'm going to be focusing on one. If you stick around, you are going to know the particular one I'm talking about. And hey, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? You should do that. I'm telling you because one, it's free to do that. It's really free to do that. And two, you'll be learning a lot from me. Okay, enough of that. Let's get on with the business of the day. So today I'm going to be talking about how do you make money online while you're sleeping. How do you even make money when you're sleeping? You know, when people say I make money while I'm sleeping, it doesn't, some people think it's just so I look at it this way: you make money while sleeping by creating multiple streams of passive income. And like I said, there are two major streams of income. There is the active and there is the passive. Okay, both of them are very important. Understand it. Okay, active income requires you to do work on your job daily, so it requires your time, it requires your labor. Just look at it as you're giving something. So you're making dresses for people. If you don't go to make clothes for people, you won't get paid. You run a logistics business. If you don't go and deliver, that is physical. You go to the office to work. So for those, it requires your time. Okay, so active income, your time is tied to your money. Active income is actually good, but it's not the best form of income. Actually, the main, the oga, the boss is the passive income. Passive income is making money from early investment of time or money. All right, so first of all, you can put in your efforts maybe at first, and then you sit down and watch the money roll in. And that is one of the reasons why I started this channel, because I want people to start seeing the sense in passive income. So for me, your money can never be big until your money starts becoming passive, because when it's passive, it's unlimited, like there's no cap. But you see, for your salary, there's always a maximum of what you can earn, but in passive income, there is no cap for it. So until you make your money while you're sleeping, you shouldn't be sleeping so much. That's one of the things that I learned that has helped me to, focus on building, passive income. So I'm going to share a couple of ideas of passive income, because that is what I want to talk about today. Okay, so I've put out some ideas that I feel should help us. So the first one I thought about is a rental business. Rental business is purely passive because you invest the money first. Say you invest things like canopies, chairs, tables for events, and events is a big thing for us. All right, now you buy them first, and then people begin to rent it. So they use it and return, they use and return. So whether you are there or not, the people keep, taking and bringing them back. Another thing is maybe projector, sound system, stuff like that. If funds are available, you could actually build houses like people do and keep it on rent. And for years you keep collecting, but remember, you have to maintain the house. All right. So these are, one of the passive income ideas. The second one is intellectual properties, things like ebooks, courses. Yeah, owning like a community. Now, Amazon is actually a great platform for publishing books, and you can start making some passive income. You write your book once, you upload it once, you can run ads and drive traffic, and the book will just keep selling. So you can actually start doing it. You invest few hours and create your ebook. I actually have a couple of books and I've been selling it. Okay, so that is it. Then the third one, which is my baby. Yeah, this is actually my baby. You can also invest in stocks, because this is one of the things I talk about in this channel. I love stock. Stock market has really opened my eyes. It's transformed my life. So yeah, I'm going to talk about it. So if you know any financial vehicle very well, like stocks or bonds, whichever one that is good for you. For me, it is stocks, and I love the flexibility. So you can actually invest in the US stock market. I'm going to do another video. I'm going to tell us why I love stocks and why you should actually start looking into the stock market, and how we also make money from the stock market. So you can start small, you can start big, but the most important thing is the knowledge. So don't just jump in with the money you have when you have not invested in your own self. Okay? Which one will give you massive wealth? From these conversations I've had with you, you can see that passive income, like I said, is unlimited. The cap is, So which one would you prefer? This is my advice. Move from active income into the passive income. While you have the active income, start building your passive income. The reason is this: financial freedom happens when your passive income exceeds the cost of your lifestyle. So when you have stocks, and these stocks are paying you, say, dividends every month, and they pay you up to $500 dividends, and that $500 is equal to 500,000 naira, and that can actually take care of everything you need for the month, then you're making a good progress. Financial freedom is close to you. Okay? Now, always look for ways to turn your active income into passive income. And then you can start traveling and living the life you want without having to really, really depend on anyone. The reason I'm saying this is today is a good opportunity to see that future that you desire. So the question is, are you going to make use of the information you're getting right now? Because if you're going to make use of that information, your life will be made super easy. Finally, have you subscribed to the YouTube channel? Please do that. I'm going to say it again, all right? Because I know you're going to learn a lot of things. And we're also having our money experience, which just started. Is our money circle program, because there are so many opportunities today, and technology has simplified a lot of things. And currently, we are making money in the US stock market. So the goal for me is to empower people with the right knowledge so that they can start creating wealth little by little, one day at a time. And 3 months down the line, 6 months down the line, you will be amazed. So in the next videos, I'm going to be talking about stock market. I'm also going to talk about how we make money every week from the stock market, just to give you an idea of things we do and how we do it. So keep your eyes locked, and when you subscribe, you'll be one of the first to see this video when it drops hot. And today, I hope you learned something. Have a good one. Bye.